Hey guys! This is our first video on this YouTube channel, and we're going to be making slime. So we're going to be making not really fluffy slime, but kind of fluffy because we don't have that much shaving cream. So we're going to add as much shaving cream as we can for this video.
So you're going to need some Elmer's glue. You could get a little bottle or like bigger ones. We have a gallon of glue, but
we're going to be using
you don't
the
need
bottle.
to buy that.
And you also need paint, or if you want to dye it, you don't need to. But
any type of shaving cream,
unless you don't want it,
or borax solution. It's in a baby bottle
because it's easier to squirt.
Or no one uses them, trust
me. Or Tide. So yeah. So we already put in our shaving cream and our paint and our glue. I just don't want to clean it up. So now we're adding in the borax solution because we like borax better than Tide. So I like borax better than Tide. So you just add it in, like as much. You have to add a lot in, but at first you don't add as much. But it's so much easier to put it in baby bottles. Ooh. So now that we have like this much,
you can see it when it's on.
Like there's not enough in right now, but it's gonna we're gonna keep on adding more. But okay, now let's mix it. So it's forming, but it's not like it's super duper sticky. So we're gonna add some more, right? I'm adding so much of it in there. Is yours and Lucy's is really right now forming.
I might have some glitter because my bowl has some glitter. I can see it.
Yeah. Wait, it's also gonna look like this.
It will look kind of disgusting and slimy at the first,
but you need to
awesome.
Knead it out. Wait, no. Why am I touching it? I need to add way more borax. Oops.
Mine's not ready either. I need more borax.
Okay. Wait, Lucy.
Okay, we're gonna be on pause while Alyssa goes to clean her hands. Okay, so Alyssa is cleaning her hands because she got her slime all over. So right now I'm mixing mine. Sorry, I have a little cold. And it's coming together, if you can see. It's still a little sticky actually, but it's not that sticky. So I'm gonna add some more borax. Sorry, I'm really quiet right now. Okay, so it's starting to form more, but I still want to put more borax because it's still kind of sticking to the bowl and the spoon, and you don't really. Well, it will stick to the spoon at first, but you don't want it like to totally stick to the spoon. Putting a lot of borax really helps. Ooh, and Alyssa's coming back, so I don't have to talk by myself anymore. Here she is. So
So now we're mixing it. Yours is gonna be really, really sticky in the beginning, but you need to add more borax.
As you can see.
Is yours sticky?
Yes, but it's forming if you can't see.
You have to knead it out first. First you need to
It might be sticky. You might think it's not the way that it's supposed to be, but first you need to play with it so all the stickiness goes away.
Yeah.
See, it will be like that, but then it won't. So.
But then it won't. Mine's really sticky.
So that's like super sticky.
I need to add some.
I don't think that.
You just need to add some more borax. Okay, so I just keep on adding borax to
Ooh, it
mine
makes a sound.
because mine's really, really, really sticky. And you need to add like so much borax.
Me?
Even if you're, well, I'm talking to the camera.
But I need to add so much more.
But if you need, even if you're making like a really big one, you need to add so much.
A lot.
You need
Like
to
the whole
add the
bottle.
whole bottle.
Because it doesn't look like it. You need to, and it might like turn out like not even sticking together at all. But that's how it's supposed to be. Because then
See,
it
look
was
at mine. See,
need together.
I added
Okay.
so much borax, and now it's like so. Look at it. It's like so watery. But then you just need to.
I'm pouring it on my hand.
Yeah, you just pour it there.
Ooh,
And then you just
mix
kinda
it together like this.
Knead it out with your fingers, and then it makes it
Awesome.
really, really good. And some
My hands
people,
are
I feel like
this.
borax, it used to make it like so.
Oh, it's falling on the ground.
It used to make it like break, so you don't when you're making your borax thing.
Wait, turn off the camera. Turn off the camera.
Okay, so
He probably watches it
back.
He probably watches slime videos.
Oh. Okay. Oh no, Mighty Man.
I didn't know it was filming.
Mighty Man.
Funny math man.
Mighty Math Man. Okay, where'd you get that from? Mighty Man.
So mine's like
Oh my
a
gosh.
finger slime. Don't mind her. She got some slime on her new shirt.
Mighty Math Man. Okay.
She got some slime on her shirt. What the? Oh, I know. So mine's like a finger slime. Did you see?
Finger slime.
Yeah, it's like I can fit my finger. It's like not too big slime. Finger slime. Is that even a thing? I don't.
Finger slime.
See? It's like a finger slime.
Your fingers touch it.
I don't know why I actually called it that.
It's fine. Okay. But
So it's a little good. It's good.
it's fine.
Yeah, it's good. Just go.
It's gonna come out in the wash.
It's really hard to do it. Okay, so here it is. I can't do it with one hand. Liz, can you anytime? Can you just do it with another? I'll do it after.
So if you guys comment down below if you guys want me and Lucy to be doing
So
to make
Lucy
more
with an
slime
I.
videos and or do vlogs. So comment down below if we should do vlogs and more DIYs. We're gonna be a lot of like slime videos and do it yourself videos.
Yes.
DIY.
And we might do some.
Yeah, we might do
Room
like a
tours.
room tour. And we're going to be posting a lot of videos today. Today we're going to be making a lot of videos because it's our first start of this channel. So, yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we're both going to, at the end of this video, we're going to show you guys the finished look of both of our slimes. And yeah, so bye guys.
Ugh.